In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness on your AOC monitor with an easy step-by-step guide. Adjusting your monitor's brightness can reduce eye strain and improve your viewing experience. First, locate the control buttons on your AOC monitor. These are usually found on the bottom edge or the side of the monitor frame. Press the Menu button to open the on-screen display, OSD menu. Use the arrow buttons to navigate through the menu options until you find Brightness or Picture Settings. Select Brightness by pressing the appropriate button, usually the Menu or OK button. Now, adjust the brightness level by using the arrow buttons. Increase or decrease it until you reach a comfortable level for your eyes and environment. Once you're happy with the brightness, press the Menu button again to save the settings and exit the menu. If your AOC monitor has a quick access button for brightness, you can use that to adjust brightness without opening the menu. Check your monitor's manual to see if this option is available. For some newer AOC monitors, you can also adjust brightness through software, like the AOC Display Manager installed on your computer. Remember, setting your brightness too high or too low can cause discomfort, so find the level that works best for you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and tips.